Welcome to my YouTube channel Spice of Life. Today we are making the most comforting Indian meal ever, Masoor dal and rice. It's simple, quick and packed with flavor, perfect for busy days or nights. Let's start with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of Masoor dal. Rinse the dal 2-3 times until water runs clear and soak it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare tadka. So for tadka, we have taken half large onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili and garlic 5 to 6 pods and ginger. So firstly, we will chop garlic, ginger and green chili. So once it is chopped, take it out in a plate and we will add some onions. We'll chop the onions. Take a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add cumin seeds and chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Once it is light brown, add onion. Saute for 2-3 minutes. And once the onion is light brown, add tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are cooked and we will add some basic spices. So here I'm adding half a tablespoon of turmeric and half tablespoon of salt and soaked dal. Saute for 2-3 minutes. I forgot to add hing, that is asafoetida. So here I'm adding hing, half a tablespoon and some turmeric. Saute it and add 1.5 glass of water. Cover and cook the dal till 10 to 15 minutes or until you'll get 4 to 5 whistles. Cool it down at a room temperature for 5 minutes and let's check the dal. So here the dal is done. We'll add some chopped coriander. Give it a light mash. Scoop up a serving of warm rice, ladle over your masoor dal and garnish with fresh coriander and squeeze of lemon if you like it. That's it. Your masoor dal and rice is ready. If you try this recipe, drop a comment, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Indian recipes. Thank you for watching.